All right, folks, let's talk about Jamaica's pothole problem. If you've ever driven here, you know our roads are more craters than concrete. What's causing all this chaos? Well, let's dive in. First up, natural disasters. Earthquakes, hurricanes, and heavy rain. Yup, they all team up to wreck our roads. Just this year, Hurricane Beryl did a number on us, causing over $10 billion in damage. And Tropical Storm Raphael, it made sure 30 roads were out of commission. Now, the government is trying to fix things. Prime Minister Holness and the National Works Agency are on it, but the rain just won't let up. Meanwhile, Minister Warmington is pushing for swift repairs, but it's like trying to bail out a sinking ship with a teaspoon. Let's talk car damage. Potholes mean tyre blowouts, messed up suspension, and more wear and tear on your ride. Always, and I mean always, carry a spare tyre and know how to change it. You don't want to be stuck on a dangerous road. Here's a kicker. Jamaica requires a fitness certificate for cars, but the roads, far from fit. People are fed up. Protests are popping up like in St. Thomas demanding either better roads or no fitness certificate. So what can you do? Drive slow, keep your distance and stay sharp, especially at night. And hey, let's keep pushing the government to step up their game. That's a wrap on Jamaica's pothole saga. Stay safe out there.